Looking for a delicious and easy-to-make keto meal? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving right into the art of preparing a mouth-watering keto dish that's not only simple but also packed with flavor. First things first, gather the essentials. For a classic keto meal, you'll need lean protein. Think chicken or fish, fresh vegetables, broccoli and spinach are excellent choices, and of course, healthy fats. Avocado or olive oil are just perfect. Now, it's time to give your protein some love. Season it generously with salt, pepper, and your go-to keto-friendly spices. Heat up a skillet, drizzle some olive oil, and cook your protein until it's beautifully browned and thoroughly cooked. While the protein is sizzling away, turn your attention to the vegetables. Whether you prefer them steamed or sautéed, cook your veggies until they're tender, yet still bursting with color. Don't shy away from adding a bit of garlic or your favorite herbs to elevate the flavor. Once the protein and veggies are ready, it's time for the final act. Plate your meal and add a drizzle of avocado oil or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese to top it all off. And voila! You've just prepared a delicious low-carb keto meal. Just remember, the secret to a successful keto diet lies in sticking to low-carb, high-fat, and moderate protein options. Don't be afraid to mix and match different flavors and ingredients to keep your meals exciting. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more keto cooking tips and recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!